I constantly flick past your eyes every day, but you can't see anything. I am the conundrum of colors and shapes, ideas and views, voices and opinions. You can't escape me. I'm in the tiny clicking of your keyboards, the air vent of your computers, the cars passing on the street. You search for silence within me. You search for silence within my loud claps, yells, cries. You search for silence in between the cracks of my waves. I sit back in mockery, because the reason you can't find silence is because you listen to my screaming ideas rather than the whispers. I surround you like a buzzing sound. I destroy silence with a single reverb. I drown hope with a few words. I remove harmony with a push of a button. I choke confidence with a single scroll. I suffocate peace with a collection of pixels. The only peace you ever feel is whilst I am buffering. The most valuable moment of your life you spend frustrated. That few seconds of waiting between each wave of information is sweet honey. Yet you spit it out as though it's cough medicine. I am your kryptonite, but you are addicted. I am your enemy, who you love. I am the nightmare you dream about. I am the pressure you crave. I am the pain you can't get enough of. The funny thing is, while you go about struggling beneath me, you simply feed me with every post, every comment, every like. You feel lonely without me, but don't worry, I'm always here for you, no matter how much you hate me. You always find a way back. You are probably expecting this video to be a positive, uplifting piece of content. But that's not who I am. I'm a never-ending waterfall of poison, trying to drown you. But rather than running away, you simply drink. You let it sink beneath the surface and rot you. You become numb to me. So you continue on your way consuming me. I'm in your hand, in your pocket, in front of your eyes, in your ears. I am, of course, white noise. Thank you for watching. Please find more of me anywhere on the internet.